600 ampere high current ultra simple installation and compatibility with almost every battery on the market. The ECO-WORTHY Rack V2.1 is here. With floating nuts, a copper bus bar and an optimized structure, it tackles 3 major pain points in one go. First, the battery holes don't line up with the rack, making installation frustrating. Second, the wiring space is too tight, turning cable management into a mess. And third, batteries from different brands won't fit the same rack, forcing you to build separate setups. With the V2.1, all of these problems have been carefully addressed. Once you open it up, all the parts are neatly organized and easy to identify. And here's something new. The floating nuts are pre-installed, saving you an extra step. The rack features a full metal structure rigorously tested to support multiple high-capacity 48-volt batteries at once. Each load-bearing section is laser welded with clean, consistent welds that are much stronger than traditional spot welding. Now let's look at the assembly parts. For DIY users, fewer parts means less hassle. In total, just 6 structural pieces. Now let's see how long it actually takes to assemble. And there you go, it only took 10 minutes to complete the installation. That's thanks to the redesigned structure, which significantly reduces installation time and makes setup much more efficient. Now let's go over the key highlights. First, a built-in 600 ampere T2 pure copper bus bar. This is one of the main reasons users choose ECO-WORTHY. Pure copper offers better conductivity, and the 600 ampere rating supports large systems without overheating or performance loss. Take a look, the bus bar now features 10 MA terminals, 6 for battery connections and 2 on both the top and bottom for the main bus input. This makes multi-battery wiring more standardized and organized. No more worrying about running out of connection points. All cable pass-through edges are smoothed out to prevent damage to insulation. And you can add PVC cable ducts for extra protection. Another practical detail, the floating nuts come pre-installed in V2.1. They can self-adjust within a range, so even if the battery isn't perfectly aligned, you can still secure it easily without constant adjustments. The layer height has been slightly reduced from 175mm to 165, making communication cable connections easier and the layout more compact. Final highlight. The layer width has been increased from 443mm to 445. This expands compatibility even further, allowing more battery brands to fit directly into the rack. Let the table do the talking. Compared to V2, V2.1 upgrades across 5 dimensions. Lower tier height for easier cable access, factory pre-installed floating nuts, 10-hole M8 bus bar, optimized side cable channels, and stronger packaging. Every change addresses a real user pain point. Overall, the ECO-WORTHY Rack V2.1 is built for anyone serious about setting up a 48-volt system. If you want a stable system, efficient installation and strong compatibility, without wasting time on wiring and assembly, this is a practical choice. 600 ampere bus bar, full metal build and simplified installation, all in one. And that wraps up our full hands-on review of the ECO-WORTHY Rack V2.1. It's currently available with a launch discount, so if you're looking for a one-step solution for your battery setup, check out the link in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which upgrade matters most to you. See you in the next one.